Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the GEEMY GM 657 professional hair clipper. There's an image of this particular hair clipper right on top of the box. As you can see, this particular hair clipper comes with a shortest cutting length of 0.2 millimeters. It has stainless steel blade, variable cutting length, easy to take down blade, push type switch for easy operation, indicator light function, and charging adapter for wire and wireless use. So this particular clipper can be used cordlessly and also with a cord. If you have any more information, it comes with a cleaning brush, oil bottle, 4 comb attachments, and a standard charging adapter. Yeah, it takes 8 hours to charge and 60 minutes of usage. That's more or less it. Yeah, there you go. It says 8 hours of charge, cordless, voltage is 220 to 240 volts, which is pretty standard. I will open this box and show you what's inside. There you go, this is what you find inside the box. What do we have here? This is the instruction manual for this particular trimmer. There you go. It's everything that you want to know, preparing for use, cleaning, maintenance, guarantee. It's all given over here. This is the power adapter for this particular clipper. There you go, this is a very pretty standard power adapter. Bottle of cleaning oil. And these are the comb attachments. I'll take everything out actually. There you go. I don't have anything else in the box. Now let's see. These are the comb attachments. There are 4 of them. You have a 12mm comb, a 9mm comb, a 6mm comb, and a 3mm comb. And this is a brush for when you want to clean your stainless steel blades on the clipper. Now let's take a look at the clipper itself. There you go, this is what the clipper looks like. This comes with this metallic sheen to it, although it's made out of plastic. This comes with this fabric on the side. This is an ergonomic grip, as we call it. There you go, this is the button, this is the power on off button, and this particular device has charge in it, so you can see it's working right now. You can hear it as well. And this basically shows you how much charge. It has a lot of charge right now. And the power cable goes inside this port over here. So let's look at the blades now. So the blades are usually removable. Let's see if we can remove it right now. And yes, it is removable. This is the motor unit. The thing about these heads is that these are removable because they are also washable. So you should take them out and wash them or clean them using the cleaning fluid and the brush. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the GEEMY GM 657 professional hair clipper. Thank you for watching.